Hi everyone, today we are going to solve Olympiad another question, which is 3 to the power x equal to x to the power 9. Then we have to find the value of x. Now we are going to solve this. So first of all, what we will have to do in this question, I am going to multiply 1 by 9x. Let us see, 3 to the power x, and I am multiplying both side by 1 by 9x in power. Okay, so x by 9, 1 by 9x, because we can multiply or divide both side in any term. Okay, now what will happen? So let us see, x will be cancelled out by this and 9 will be cancelled out by this. So what left here? 3 to the power 1 by 9, and here x to the power 1 by x. Now listen what I am doing. 3, we are multiplying 3 by 3 in 1 by 9. Okay, because there will be no difference, because 3 by 3 will cancel and left 3 to the power 1 by will remain as same. Okay, so 1 by x. Now what we can write here, 3 to the power 3. Listen, I write this 3 as here, and we will multiply 3 by 9. Okay, so what will come? 27 equal to x to the power 1 by x. Now what we can write, 3 to the power 3 equal to 27, and 1 by 27 equal to x by 1 by x. Okay, so see here, 1 by 27 x by 1 by x. So because base and power is both are same here and here also, so we can write x equal to 27 as answer. This is our solution. Thank you. And another thing I want to say, if you want to prepare for any Olympiad and in any country Olympiad mathematics, you can join us, and we solve many questions of Olympiads mathematics. Okay, so you can subscribe my channel and you can get benefit from this channel. Thank you.